Hello and welcome to Axed. I got a little knife. Actually, that's a little while ago. I just forgot about it. But I actually quite like the look of it. A hero, apparently. It says fiskekniv, which is a fishing knife in Danish. Blade is about 7.2 centimeters long. Yeah. I forgot a piece of paper. Just a second. Alright, let's see if it cuts paper. Yeah, I think I hit a bad spot right there because otherwise it seems to cut decently well. Focus. It's like right there. There's a spot where it isn't really sharp because otherwise it seems to cut fine. I didn't pay much. I think I paid 40 DKK. What is that? Maybe somewhere around €5. I don't know what it is in US dollars though. So yeah, fine little pocket knife there. Anyway, hope you like it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.